Good morning, everyone. Talofa and Namaste. Welcome back to another video. I thought I'll start off this vlog right here. It is currently morning. I'm here in India. It is morning time here, and I wanted to make this vlog to document, us farewelling Kavi as he returns back to Australia. This vlog is all about the emotions of us separating from family, I guess, living here in India, which is amazing because India is so beautiful. Currently, I just finished showering. Now I'm getting ready because we have to go to the city to get our last groceries with Cubby. Trying to get everything here so that we don't have to worry about going back and doing some more grocery shopping, at least for a month. That's what we're going to be doing today. We'll be going to the city to get some more grocery shopping done, making sure that we're stacking up on our food, on my diapers, on so many things. So yeah, and of course I'll be taking you guys along for the ride to the city. And yeah, tomorrow morning Cubby goes back to Australia, and it's just going to be me, Amaya, and some other family members, which is great because there's no way that he's leaving us. There's no way that he's leaving just me and America. By the way, he's got his parents here, so yeah, let's go finish getting ready. The weather here in India has been cloudy, rainy, which is great. If it's sunny out there, oh my gosh, you can't. The heat here in India is next level, guys. If it goes above 30, you don't want to be outside. You just cannot be outside. I don't know how people live here without AC and fans, because oh my goodness, what would I do if we don't have AC and fans? Some people, they don't have AC, they get cooler. I don't know what that's like. I don't know if it's the same as, if it works the same as AC. I don't know, no idea. And most people don't even have ACs or cooler. So I am blessed and lucky to be having the resources that I need for this crazy weather. I think I'm just gonna do my whole hair, which is gonna take me time, so I'll catch you guys when I have breakfast. Alright, Amira woke up. Hi, lovey. Hi, my baby girl woke up. Look. Say hi. Hi. How was your sleep? Amira loves India. I've never seen the side of her, but since we came to India, she's been so excited, and to go with her cousins. She loves outside. She loves going outside. She's been on the tractor. She's been, who knows, cow. She's been, she's experiencing so much more than me, to be honest. She's seeing people get milk out of a cow, which I've never seen it in real life. She's been on the tractor. I've always wanted to go on the tractor, but this girl's already been on it before me. How dare you? Yeah, she's doing everything. She's exploring everything, which is good for her. You enjoying India? We love India. Anyway, this is This is where you are from. She has so many friends. She's made so many friends already. Like, they'll come in the morning and take her to their homes. Or they'll come in the evening, take her for a walk. Like, she's loved by so many people here. And she's starting to talk properly. Yeah. Good thing about India is that you hear people talk 24/7. There's always something to talk about, which is good for Amaya, seeing people talk, and they also interact with her whenever they're here. And she also interacts with me, which is great. She's starting to speak properly. She says, "What is this?" Or she'll say it in Hindi, "Kya hai?" She says "Bapu," which is Papa. Her Papa, Kavi's dad. Ma, Kavi's ma. Yeah, she's so smart, this little girl. Love you so much. She has no idea that Kavi's going. She has no idea that Kavi's going to leave her here. You have no idea? You're not going to see him tomorrow in person. Yeah? Yeah? It's sad, huh? But he'll be back. He'll be back after a few months. Yeah? Anyway, guys, I was doing my hair and then she woke up, but I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm gonna go. All right, just getting on my shoes ready. Put on the socks, lovey. Put on the socks. Put on the socks, my love. What? Why are you looking at me like that? Yeah. It's so hot in India right now. But it looks like it's gonna rain soon, so that's good. Are you ready to go now? Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. You wanna go get your snacks? Because Dada's leaving tomorrow. Yeah. Chichi lovey. Chichi lovey. Hi, my kitty pie. Hi, my kitty pie. My kitty's ready to go get her snacks. Yeah. Oi. Let's go now. Yeah. Chale. Yeah. Chalo. Chaddy. Let's go. Are you excited to go back? He's emotional, guys. He's just shy. He doesn't want to go back. Are you gonna miss your daddy? Daddy going back, and you and me are staying here. Huh? We're gonna have fun? You think we're gonna have fun? Huh? Okay, say bye, everyone. Bye-bye. 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 chippies? What do you want? You want chippies? Corn puff. Beetroot. These are healthy, Gabby. Made with beetroot natural. I'll taste this one. Okay. This is already. You work here? This is already mixed, eh? Mixed already.
Pancake mix.
Acha. Whoa. This is nice. Let me have this. How much is it? We need peanut butter. Peanut butter. Apple cider vinegar. Oh my gosh, they have everything that I usually use. You have non-veg? Non-veg now?
Mayonnaise. If you see the mark like this, it means it's a pure veg. No. Then if it's red,
It's not non-veg?
it's a veg. Like,
This is veg.
yeah, if you see
Oh, I
green,
don't need veg. I need non-veg.
if you see no, this one is it's a veg as well.
Can you ask if they have baby snacks?
बच्चों के लिए भी है कुछ स्नैक्स छोटे बच्चे का हाँ
Where? No, that's not fun. That has sugar. If there's a popcorn that we can do it in the microwave, do they have it?
this one
I don't know. I'm just. Oh, here. For cereal. Just get one, eh? Apple. Because I share my oats with her most of the time. Huh?
what's this
Huh? Chai, coffee. I'll get coffee. Coffee? Pure coffee. Nescafe. This one?
सीड्स वगैरह नट्स वगैरह खाना
They have mostly Indian snacks. Indian food. Spices, bay peri, table salt.
or just the seeds? Just the seeds?
Just the seeds. Up to you. You want to take that one? It's just Indian. Leaves of Indian stuff. Oh, Tang. They have Tang here. Tang. For drinking. Alrighty. We'll get it from the outlet shop, eh? The one- Alright, so we just came to have lunch. so hungry. What? Are you hungry, my love? Uh-oh. What?
range of shots.
Chocolate sundae. Hi guys, hope you guys can see me. I'm on Manscaped, so I hope you guys can see me. Currently making roti for the whole fam, and also the last roti that I'm making for Kavi. I feel so bad for him because usually in Australia I make him his Indian food that he likes to eat over there, and now he's not much of a cook, but I'm pretty sure he'll be alright. Pretty sure he'll be fine. He'll be fine. He knows what to do. I mean, he does get food at work daily, but it's the same sort of menu, rotate every 2 weeks. So it's just nice for him to have something different from the food that he usually gets at work. I just hope that he cooks something. What I mean by cook is like actually cutting onions and actually cooking food, not air frying or so yeah. But yeah, making roti. I'd say I am 90% perfect at making roti. I mean, I can make the perfect roti, but I am not a professional, just like, people that Indian women and how they make their roti. Like, they'll make this. I'm making it for like 2-3 minutes. But the professionals, speaking about the women here in India, because they make it daily, they can make this, I think, within seconds. But yeah, I guess in a few months or by the end of the year, I'll be like that. Roti is such an important, very significant part of, you know, the Indian culture. It's a part of their daily lives. They eat it every single day, just like how we eat rice with our food, or, you know, I'm Samoan, so we eat everything with like taro, breadfruit, yam, sa'amu. So roti is like that. That's the carbohydrates. So yeah, I make roti every day. When I first came here, I thought, oh my gosh, are you serious? Like, you guys make roti every single day? Like, that's a lot to me. That is a lot. Like, where's the time to make roti every day, you know? I'm just speaking of the culture shock I had when I first moved here, when I first came here to India, and actually lived in a Indian household. I was like, oh my goodness, who has the time to make roti every single day? And you're not just making like, it depends on how many family members you have. You're not just making like 5 rotis, you're making rotis for the whole family, depending on how many people that you have in your family. For me, I'd say I make like less than 20 roti, or maybe that's too much. It really depends on who wants to eat roti, but I'd say 10, 5 minimum, I would make a day. Yeah, so yeah, as you guys can see how round my roti looks. Right guys, my roti wasn't even like this when I first came. Look how round it is. And this is how you make the perfect roti. So don't leave it on the pan for too long, or tawa. And then the side that was...
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Up top, oh my gosh, I'm also looking after the milk. Shit, I was actually meant to look after the milk, oh my goodness. Let me wipe that before Kavi's mom comes. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm gonna have to focus on making my rotis because everyone's hungry right now and I just spilled the milk. So I want to focus on making these rotis. Anyhow, I'll catch you guys later when Kavi reads. See you guys.
देखिए कौन है
Amaya? Amaya? Yeah, he's leaving tomorrow. Huh? They're leaving tomorrow. Huh? Say good night so you can go sleep. Say good night.
No. So ये तो
Yeah. Say good night. Good night. You're not gonna see him again.
bye.
Bye-bye. Have a safe flight. Safe flight. Bye-bye there. Safe flight. going? It's 4 o'clock in the morning.
Kundi ke baal? Sao dia sih ni? Golu?
Nurian deh apa?
Goli? Ay. Ay. Nonu? Ay. Hey. Nune? इसका तो यार अच्छा हो गया गई बॉल हो गया रात में हाय हाय ठंड सी रही कहाँ का तूने चो दिया तूने ये तो
चल चल भाई
चलो भाई कभी
माम करना
मम का दम तेरे को तो चिपक जाए कुंची भरला ना लड़की
Bye, Daddy. Bye. Oh. I have to put her back to sleep. Hopefully she goes to sleep. Say bye, Daddy. See you soon. See you in a few months. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
itu lu buka
बाय करना
मुझे बताया था
यार निकल के अच्छा दिया री कर लो बाय कर लो
कोई वो नहीं है ठीक है
Bye-bye.